Hi there, it's Amy from Cakes with Faces. Now this week I've been really busy with Christmas orders in my shop, so I've just got a mini video for you about how to top up your Suica card. Before we start, I just wanted to say thanks for sticking with me this year when I haven't had many new travel vlogs. Obviously, my cancelled trip did mess up all my plans for my channel this year. I do have lots of ideas for videos that I hope you'll find useful and interesting, and I can't wait to get back to Japan when it's safe to travel again and film some more travel videos. So thanks for bearing with me. So today I'm going to show you how to top up your Suica card. That's your train pass. You top it up with credit, then you can just swipe in and out when you get to the ticket barriers and you don't have to worry about which ticket to get. It's valid for local trains in Tokyo and most other places around Japan. It's the easiest and most hassle-free way to pay for your trains because it's valid for everything. If it's your first trip to Japan, using the ticket machines in a country where you don't speak the language might seem intimidating, but it's not that bad. Look for a ticket machine with the Suica or Passmo logo. You can find them at JR train stations. That's stations on JR lines run by Japan Railways. In Tokyo, that's the JR Yamanote line and the Chuo or Sobu lines. Now, I don't know if this will change in the future, but at the moment you need cash to top up your Suica card. The ticket machines don't take credit or debit cards. Press the button in the top right of the screen to change the language to English.
All fare information will be displayed in...
Insert your card. Choose how much you want to top up. Put the money in. And you're done. Next, here's how to buy a Suica card from the ticket machines. You can buy them from overseas agents before you travel, but you can save a couple of pounds if you buy it when you're there. There is now also a version of the Suica card designed for tourists. All the details about that are in this other video on my channel. But if you think you'll be coming back to Japan in the future and you want to keep your card, the regular Suica is probably the best option. English. Purchase new Suica. Suica new purchase. If you pick My Suica, you have to provide some personal details to register your card. Just the regular Suica is fine. Next, choose how many yen you want to start with. Put your money in. And there's your card. So I hope you found that useful. I'll be back not next week, but the week after on Thursday. I'll see you then.